Hey, happy Saturday. I'm Aaron Lehman, one of the LWN leadership team members, and excited to be here on this fine Saturday. It's rainy over here on the coast of California. We need it, so enjoying that rain. And I just wanted to talk a little bit about my our Essential Rewards order this month here in December. Lots of awesome promos. Those of you who placed your ER order already, I'm sure you've already gotten to see all the good promos in there, the freebies that Young Living throws in. I know Sarah and I have been on Essential Rewards now for just a shade under 150 months. So just feeling grateful for the opportunity each month to just order this, have a monthly wellness box roll in. Again, I think for us, it's about prioritizing preventative wellness and proactive wellness, and that's what Young Living products are for us. It's about prevention, it's about being proactive. So anyway, perhaps that's your story as well, and that's why you've found Young Living and why you're on Essential Rewards. So let's just dive in. So one thing Sarah and I really love are the bar soaps. So we've got Sacred Mountain and Peppermint Cedarwood. So those are two awesome bar soaps, and we actually got a lot of bar soaps this month because we're getting ready to travel over to Europe for about 5 or 6 weeks. So we wanted to make sure we had a lot of bar soaps. We also got Lavender Oatmeal and Morning Start. So some really awesome bar soaps. If you've yet to try the bar soaps that Young Living offers, definitely consider diving in because they're really, really nice, and we've been using them now for quite a while. What else? We got Immu Pro. If you haven't heard of Immu Pro, Young Living's got a lot of supplements. This is one that we wanted to make sure we had as we were heading to Europe, just for immune system support. It's also great it's got a little bit of melatonin in it, which is relaxing. And so, as we're, experiencing jet lag or at the beginning of the trip or at the end of the trip, if we're having a rough time sleeping or our immune systems need some bonus support, Immu Pro is a great go-to that we really like to use. Also got Cinefresh deodorant. Sarah loves the deodorants. I actually just use the essential oils of lavender and orange are kind of my go-to deodorants right now. But Sarah really likes the new Young Living deodorant. So Cinefresh deodorant. We also got a bunch of floss, because who doesn't need floss? There's a Thieves floss. So those of you who are not familiar with Young Living, if you're catching this live or on replay, Thieves is like one of the Young Living staples, and Young Living has Thieves everything. And Thieves is a blend of eucalyptus, rosemary, clove, cinnamon bark, and lemon. And it's just an incredible immune system supporting blend that they then have infused a lot of other products, cleaning products, toothpastes, what else? Yeah, mainly cleaning products and toothpaste. And they have a bar soap, foaming hand soap, laundry soap. Yeah, lots of different things. Okay, so speaking of Thieves, we got one Thieves whitening toothpaste. So this was a new product launch this past summer. So we got some more of that. And then you can only order one Thieves whitening toothpaste per month. So I decided to get Thieves Dentarome Ultra as the other one so that we'd make sure we had enough for our whole trip. And what else? We got Sarah, got a Savvy Minerals mascara. She was running low on hers, so we made sure to get that. If you haven't checked out the Savvy Minerals line, Sarah really loves it. She's a former makeup artist, and she's thinks it's amazing. It may take some getting used to, so if you're unfamiliar with working with minerals, just make sure you check in with somebody who can help you kind of get started with it. One of the frankincense, was that a freebie? No, I think we actually ordered frankincense. We got a 15 ml of frankincense, and we love this for skin support, immune system support. It's also just really grounding, emotional, mental, spiritual support. What else? Lots of other oils coming in here. Peace and Calming 15 ml. This was a freebie. here in December, if you order, what is it? I think it's 190 PV. So if you order 190 PV of product, you'll get a free 15 mil of Peace and Calming, which, Sarah, have you seen a 15 mil of Peace and Calming?
No, not in a long time.
Not in a long time. So this is, it's worth jumping to the 190, buy some holiday gifts for people, and just get that freebie for yourself. What else here? Orange 15 mil. I was running low. Uplifting, healthy. It's so good. And lavender. So there's lavender. So lavender and orange. There's my deodorant. And then Sarah's deodorant. So pretty awesome. Pretty fun to you can just get rid of a lot of the toxic stuff, the synthetic chemicals that are in so many of the products that you find at other stores. 15 mil of Thieves. So again, like I said, immune system supporting, just a really, really helpful oil. I used it a lot in my classroom when I was teaching high school for 5 years. That was like my go-to cologne, and it's crucial. You can massage it onto your feet. I was just putting it onto my chest and onto my neck to support my health. So, and then let's see, which one of these are freebies? I feel like most of these are. Jade Lemon. We got a Jade Lemon. Chose to order that up. I think Christmas Spirit was a freebie. Egyptian Gold was a freebie. And Myrrh was a freebie. So again, Young Living, that's one thing we love about being on the Essential Rewards program. When you order certain amounts each month, not only are you getting points back into a bank to use on free products, but you're also getting little freebies. So yeah, I mean, I think that people who ordered in December, if you ordered 400 PV in product, I think you would end up. I think you get like $350 in free products. So it's just a really awesome program. If you haven't joined yet. So thanks for listening, whether you caught me live or on replay. If you are watching this on replay, hashtag replay. Let me know what your favorite ER item is. Would love to hear what products or oils from Young Living that you're using and loving. Anyway, thankful to be on the journey with you. Have a beautiful rest of your Saturday. Adios.